If you've been looking for a perfect home, but you've not found it yet, I have the home that will check off all of your boxes. It features over 12,000 square foot lot in a very sought after community called Sunbrook, right in the heart of Brier. It's 5 bedrooms and an office, and it has 2 different living spaces, a formal dining room. It's fantastic. I would love to show it to you, so let's go and see it together. Welcome. This house is perfect to entertain your family and friends for a small to any large gathering. You can entertain your guests and cook at the same time. Check out this kitchen with granite countertops, all stainless steel appliances. And don't forget, we do have a butler's pantry. Well, this is an office, but it can also be a bedroom if you prefer. Thank you so much for coming with me on this tour. If you have any questions or you'd like more information, DM me or send me a message. Thanks for your time.